Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Lumino Industries Limited. We are a product-driven integrated engineering, procurement and construction player in India with strong focus on manufacturing and supplying conductors, power cables and electrical wires and other specialized products and components to the growing power distribution and transmission industry in India. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form, by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Lumino Industries Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you're located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated January 20, 2025, DRHP. Lumino Industries Limited's IPO consists of a fresh issue of up to 6,000 million rupees by our company and an offer for sale of up to 4,000 million rupees. The offer consists of an employee reservation of equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each and shall not exceed 5% of our post-offer equity share capital. The offer for sale involves the sale of equity shares held by our promoters in the IPO, and the proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Lumino Industries Limited was incorporated on March 30, 2005, with its registered and corporate office in Kolkata, West Bengal, India. As per the report titled Assessment of Cables, Conductors Industries and Investments in Power Sector in India, dated January 2025, prepared and issued by CRISIL Market Intelligence and Analytics and exclusively commissioned and paid for by us in connection with the offer, we are the fastest growing player in the conductors, power cables and power EPC industry in terms of revenue from operations CAGR between fiscal 2022 to 2024 among the peers considered. We also manufacture high-temperature, low-sag conductors used in distribution and transmission lines in India. By leveraging our experience of more than 3 decades in the power distribution and transmission industry, we have developed a product-driven business model focused on design, engineering, manufacturing and distributing specialized products used in a wide range of power distribution and transmission, industrial applications, electrical wiring, renewable energy projects, communication systems, electrical panels, and railway networks applications. We operate 2 key business verticals, namely manufacturing and EPC. Our manufacturing segment consists of 3 key product categories: aluminium conductors, power cables, and electrical wires. Our EPC segment consists of 5 business lines, namely power distribution and transmission, EHV substation, reconductoring with HTLS conductors, railway electrification, and solar power projects. As of September 30, 2024, we employed 897 permanent employees. We operate 2 integrated manufacturing facilities located in Howrah, West Bengal, which are spread across an aggregate area of 264,208 square feet. Investors should note the following important risks. Our business and revenues are substantially dependent on orders received from state-owned electricity boards, SEBs, and public sector power utilities. 88.92% and 85.68% of our revenue from operations in the 6 months ended September 30, 2024 and fiscal 2024 respectively is from government entities, and in the event any one or more such clients were to cease to issue tenders, our business could be adversely affected. The sale of cables and conductors manufactured by our company contributes a significant portion to our revenue from operations, more than 47% for the 6 months ended September 30, 2024 and fiscals 2024, 2023 and 2022. Any adverse development in our performance in the manufacturing business could have an adverse effect on our business, cash flows, results of operation and financial position. Significant increases or fluctuations in prices of or delay or disruption in supply of primary raw materials could affect our estimated costs, expenditures and timelines, which may have a material adverse effect on our business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. Our revenues from our EPC segment are dependent upon our ability to effectively secure contracts awarded to us through the competitive bidding route. Consequently, our results of operations and cash flows may be adversely affected or fluctuate materially periodically. We have high working capital requirement. If there are delays in the collection of receivables from our customers, or we are unable to access suitable financing to meet working capital requirements, it could lead to material adverse effect on our business, prospects, financial condition and results of operations. The promoters of our company are Purushottam Das Goyal, Devendra Goyal and Jay Goyal, who hold 84.90% of our pre-offer, issued, subscribed and paid up equity share capital of the company. 84.57% of the issued, subscribed and paid up equity share capital of the company is held by the promoter selling shareholders, who are selling equity shares aggregating up to 4,000 million rupees. Our board comprises 6 directors, of whom 2 are executive directors, 1 is a non-executive director, and 3 are independent directors, including a woman independent director. Company's revenue from operations during the 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023 and fiscal 2022 was 9,476.21 million rupees, 14,073.15 million rupees, 7,602.12 million rupees and 6,040.11 million rupees respectively. The operating EBITDA margin for 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023 and fiscal 2022 was 10.65%, 10.14%, 5.19% and 8.68% respectively. The profit after tax for 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023 and fiscal 2022 was 643.11 million rupees, 866.34 million rupees, 193.98 million rupees and 337.37 million rupees respectively, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 6.63%, 6.07%, 2.51% and 5.47% respectively. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including sections titled Summary of the Offer Document, Summary of Financial Information, Restated Consolidated Financial Information, and other financial information pages beginning on pages 20, 84, 296, and 356 respectively for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding litigation proceedings involving the company, promoters and directors. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 405 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards prepayment or repayment, in full or in part, of certain outstanding borrowings availed by our company, capital expenditure by our company for purchase of equipment and machinery, civil works and interior development of an existing manufacturing facility, and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional investors, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The offer includes a reservation for subscription by eligible employees. The employee reservation portion shall not exceed 5% of our post-offer equity share capital. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, JM Financial Limited and Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited are the book-running lead managers to the offer. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated January 20, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoters or promoter selling shareholder are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.